Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss on the topic divorce by mutual consent, documents required while filing the divorce of mutual consent and the procedure relating to divorce by mutual consent. Mutual divorce. Section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act defines mutual divorce. Divorce by mutual consent or mutual divorce is a process in which both husband and wife mutually agree that they cannot live together anymore and that the best solution is getting a divorce without putting forth any allegation against each other. Requirement to be complied for mutual divorce are: first, the parties have been living separately for a period not less than 1 year. The parties have failed for any reason to live together. The parties have freely consented to the agreement of dissolution of marriage. Now, this particular third point, the court very emphasizes on this point while granting of mutual divorce. And fourthly, the parties are at liberty to withdraw the petition. It seems that the petition may be withdrawn even at the instance of one party in course of 6 months from the date of presentation of the petition. Now, how to file for mutual consent divorce? The first stage is filing of a joint petition. Under this, both the parties file a petition and that has to be signed by both parties. Then the document that they can no longer stay together and should be granted divorce. The statement should also has agreement to split assets, custody of child, etc. The second stage is appearance of both parties in the court. Both the parties have to give a physical appearance in the court. The third procedure will be scrutiny of the petition by the court. The court will scrutinize both the parties, their documents, and if satisfied, records the statement of parties on oath. The fourth procedure will be the first motion. Under this, after accepting the documents and both the parties' statement on oath, the court will give a date to both the parties that will be a period of 6 months. Now this procedure has been removed. It is not mandatory now. The fifth will be the second motion. Under this, if the parties wants to withdraw the petition, they can do so. And the sixth stage will be the decision of the court, that is to grant a divorce or dismiss it. Now, what are the documents that are required for mutual divorce? First, the address proof of husband and address proof of the wife. Then the details of profession and present earnings of husband as well as wife. Certificate of marriage, family background information, photographs of marriage between husband and wife. Evidence to prove that the husband and wife have been living separately for more than 1 year. Evidence proving failed attempts of reconciliation. Income tax statements, details of property and assets of the parties. And certain other documents may also be required depending upon the facts and circumstances of particular case. Where to file the divorce case? The parties are required to file for divorce in the family court of the city where both the partners live together for the last time, that is their matrimonial home. It can even be presented in the court of the city place where the marriage was solemnized. It can even be presented by the respondent at the time of presentation the petition resides. Section 19 of Hindu Marriage Act prescribes the jurisdiction of court. Thank you.